In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix bad audio quality on Discord Mobile if your friends say you sound muffled, choppy, or they're hearing a lot of background noise. These quick adjustments will clean up your voice fast. We'll stay inside the Discord app and use built-in tools that balance your mic level and reduce unwanted noise, so you sound clearer without extra apps or complicated setup. Start by opening the Discord app on your phone. Before you change anything, make sure your internet connection is stable. Poor network can mimic bad mic quality. A solid Wi-Fi or strong cellular signal helps your voice stay consistent once we apply the fixes. Next, tap your profile picture. This takes you to your personal area where you can tweak how you sound and how others hear you. From there, look to the upper right and tap the settings icon. That opens your account and app settings, the place where Discord keeps all the audio controls we need. Find and tap voice. This is your audio control center on mobile. Here you'll see options for input behavior and processing, exactly what affects clarity, loudness, and background noise. We're going to enable features that automatically balance your microphone and remove distractions so your voice comes through cleanly. Turn on auto sensitivity. With this enabled, Discord listens to your environment and sets the voice detection threshold for you. That means it'll catch your normal speaking voice while ignoring softer background sounds without you dragging sliders around. If you've ever been too quiet one moment and too loud the next, auto sensitivity smooths that out and helps prevent clipping or cutting out during conversations. Now, go to noise suppression. This feature targets constant background sounds, things like fans, traffic hum, or keyboard taps. Switch it on to let Discord filter that noise in real time. It's especially helpful if you're in a busy room or outdoors. If you notice a tiny increase in battery use on older phones, that's normal for live audio processing. Finally, toggle on noise cancellation. This adds another layer of cleanup by reducing room noise and echo that can make you sound distant or boomy. With suppression and cancellation working together, your voice becomes more present and intelligible, especially in voice channels. That's it. With auto sensitivity, noise suppression, and noise cancellation enabled, you should sound clearer, steadier, and easier to understand in your next call. Keep your phone's mic unobstructed, speak at a natural volume, and you'll get consistently great results. Thanks for watching and enjoy your improved Discord audio on mobile.